Everybody, today I'm going to be shotgunning a 16.9 fluid ounces bottle of water, so that's 500 milliliters. Here's a water bottle, and here's the mouth I'm going to be using. It's just a little steak now. But anyways, let's do it. This is my first shotgun ever, so I'm going to try. So I just saw him do it with a can. So, I'm just gonna put it up like this so you can see him drinking it. Okay. Now again, on my computer. Yeah. Alright. I gotta open it. Just like that. Here we go. Did it. Ooh. Okay. Thank y'all. See y'all next time.